central Illinois until 11 a.m. At 10:23 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hartsburg to near Lincoln, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Atlanta, Arlington, and Lincoln around 10:30 a.m. Beason and McLean around 10:35 a.m. Waynesville around 10:40 a.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Highworth. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 0 and 13. Interstate 55 between mile markers 118 and 152. Interstate 74 between mile markers 140 and 155. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.